Dear Swissies, today we are in the picturesque village of Grindelwald at 1034 meters above sea level. Grindelwald belongs to the Jungfrau region and is popular with skiers in winter and hikers in summer. Grindelwald is also located below the famous Eiger Nord face, which is climbed by many mountaineers. At least once in every season, I am here at the Hotel Caprice in Grindelwald. And the hotel is very good located. It is nearby the train station, about 5 minutes, but it is also nearby some nice meadows and some nice chalet houses. This is perfect for us and me. We are strolling now a little bit around Grindelwald because we love the area above the village. Yeah, so many nice houses here and nice trees. Look, that's zum Beispiel. The mountain village is framed by mighty mountains. There is the Eiger, joined by the Schreckhorn and the Wetterhorn. On the other side of the Eiger, you will find the Mönch and the Jungfrau. I love to hike with Rasta above Grindelwald. Here it is not so crowded, and especially now in autumn, the landscape with the colorful trees is just insanely beautiful. In addition, there are the lovingly built chalet houses that decorate the landscape. Most of them are vacation homes. Besides the vacation guests, Grindelwald counts about 4,000 inhabitants. The hotel owner, Alex, told me that the trees just changed their colors in the last 2 days. Yeah, it was cold last week, then we got some rain. Yeah, and now the trees are changing. It's totally relaxing, isn't it? Yeah, I know. That's why I love it so to stroll around here. I try to create the JPEG file so you can re-stroll it. Anna, now it's little Rasta time. Yeah, short, but at least off the leash for once. Come on, Annie. It's very hot today. It's like summer. Ja, gell? Ja, again. This is what I love most at autumn. The evenings. And you can clearly see why. Because the light. Amazing. Blätter! Yeah, your time with the leaves. Huh? Yeah, Rasta loves to hunt for the leaves, gal. It's all for you, baby. It's all for you. Yeah. Yeah, you can collect it. Often on such walks, I sink into my own thoughts, breathe in the pure mountain air, and often wonder why everything couldn't just be so peaceful. Then I forget everything around me. There is only Rasta, nature, and me, our little universe. Was? Ei. Jetzt schon mal kannst. Hä? Ja, ja. Ui. Allez, allez. We are back at the hotel and the light is so nice. Huh? Look at all. You see? 2 minutes and you are at the train station. Zack, peng. Now the kitschy part is coming. Yeah, Alp glow time. I admit it, I did the part with the village just for you, and Rasta was sleeping in the hotel room during this time. The last rays of sunlight illuminate the weather horn, and then I went to bed pretty soon. The next day, it was time to get up early. Alex, the host of the Hotel Caprice, took me up to Männlichen. As a local, you can buy a permit and go to such places. As a non-local, it is forbidden, and there is a hefty fine if you are caught. So I enjoyed this exclusivity, and we spent a beautiful morning here on Männlichen. From here, you can see not only to Grindelwald, but also look on the other side into the Lauterbrunnen Valley. Soon the first rays of sunlight tickled the first mountain peaks, and also the sun soon came out from behind the Schrickhorn. A beautiful trip comes to an end again.